Want to download a YouTube video for offline viewing? In this video, I'll show you the official ways to do it, whether it's your own video or someone else's. First, if you want to download one of your own YouTube videos, open YouTube and click your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, click Content from the left-hand menu. Find the video you want to download, click the three dots next to it, and select Download. Your video will then be downloaded to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. You can open your File Explorer and find the video there. Now, if you want to download someone else's YouTube video, you can use YouTube's built-in download feature. Open the video you want to watch, then look for the download option below the video. Keep in mind that downloading videos for offline viewing through YouTube generally requires YouTube Premium, depending on availability in your region. Select Download, and the video will be saved for offline viewing inside the YouTube app. To find your downloaded videos, open YouTube and go to the Download section. You can then watch the downloaded video without an internet connection, as long as it remains available for offline playback. And that's how you can download your own YouTube videos or use YouTube's official offline download feature for other videos. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.